ever heard about 3D printing or Ggbs? So I am Sharifah Intan from UTHM will be present about green cement-based material for 3D concrete printing by using ground granulate plus furnace slag, also known as Ggbs. So let's start with what is 3D printing. 3D printing is a process that making physical object from 3D computer-aids design model, and typically it's laying down many thin layers by its printer. And there are many kind of fields that are using this kind of technology, but today I will focusing on construction technology. Do you know 3D printing in construction can reduce construction waste and cut labor costs because they are used technology? From Muzammel 2020 state that waste that have been produced by Malaysians had been estimated to continue increase, and worryingly it will demand landfill across the country, and developing country is discriminate of emission carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Layer bonding is the weakness in manufacturing part of 3D printing. By having Ggbs as a replacement ingredient can help to improve the strength bonding and also can reduce the carbon dioxide emission. The objective of this study is to investigate the workability, extrudability, buildability of Ggbs as cement replacement and to determine the compression strength of them. They will be achieved? Let's take a look.
One of the main material is Ggbs. Ggbs is the waste that produced by iron manufacturing. In this study, the percent of Ggbs had taken from past year research that showed most of them use 30%, 40% and 50% to gain good result. Next, sand as fine aggregate, referring to Cobalt 3D printing company, mentioning that maximum size and is 10 mm. This is to avoid the leakage at printer head. In this study, use 6 mm. Water and superplasticizer used for good bonding were fixed in ratio 0.5, which taken from past research most of them use 0.5 as water cement ratio and Sika datasheet. So came out with the proposed proportion. There are 3 samples for each mixed design and control sample. Flow test results show that sample contain Ggbs are in range flow 3D printing criteria that had been stated in the past research. From collect test show that sample contain 50% Ggbs gain highest height with bigger opening nozzle in rectangular shape since with past research had been stated. Compression strength test show that control sample with 0% Ggbs gain highest strength while GB50 with 50% Ggbs gain second highest with small difference, but having good bonding among others. The recommendation that can be improved in the further study is by use bigger size of fine aggregate, which means that bigger than 6 mm. This is also have been proven by past research that state that the compressive strength is depend on size aggregate, and the bigger size gain higher strength than the smaller one.
So by gaining all those data, result and discussion shows that the objective of this study achieved. Sample of GB50 is the most nearest to 3D printing criteria.